Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. I got completely carried away and went in a whole different direction with my makeup. What we are trying today is actually a concealer, like a really cool concealer. But in my brain, I was like, keep it natural, like do the minimal, like go with like a very everyday, natural, quick makeup look. And then this happened. Sometimes I really like, it's like my hands just do something else and they want to apply all of the cool makeup in front of me. I tried out the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio in Pick Me. They have had these trios before. I told you about them, but look at, I mean, like I can't, I'm so distracted. Why didn't I just do a video about this? Oh my God. Does this not make you want to just like be full glam just like during the week for no reason at all? Yes, yes it does. Not what this video is about. We're gonna get to it. I'm wearing nothing underneath my eyes at all because we're gonna scooch in nice and close so you can see everything, and we're gonna test out the new from Pure Cosmetics Shake and Bake.
This is how you make shake and bake.
Shake and Bake, and I helped, right? I feel really old when I say that for some reason, but that commercial is really funny. And then of course it reminds me of Talladega Nights, which is like one of my favorite movies of all time.
Shake and bake!
This is a powder concealer, which I think is really strange. Like, do we need to? It comes with a sponge. I just dropped that on the floor though. I feel like to be competitive in the marketplace of everything being kind of like, wow, look at this transforming, like crazy lipsticks that turn into glitter and like all this crazy stuff and like roller eyeliner and everything's getting kind of crazy. It's almost like what I think in my brain makeup clickbait when larger companies do these kind of things. I just think that. But you know, here I am trying it out because I'm curious. So I guess I clicked on it. This miraculous concealer melts into the skin to mask imperfections and sets to a smooth, long-lasting, crease-free finish. This doesn't say if it's full coverage or not. I'm kind of thinking that it's not going to be full coverage. We'll see. It says dab a small amount under the eyes using the contour blending sponge. I think what we need to do is just get really close up to my face so you can see everything and put on this powder to cream concealer. And then of course I am gonna wear it all day and do check-ins for you guys. So let's just get straight to it. All right, you guys, we are nice and close. I have the Shake and Bake powder and I have a sponge. I actually do have all three shades. So, you know, why don't I go ahead and swatch those for you? We'll just do like an insert. I have the medium shade, the light shade, and the dark shade. This product is $26. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I don't really know how you put it on underneath your eye without like touching it first, and it does kind of turn into a cream kind of right away. So we're just gonna hope for the very best. Okay.
And it's shake and bake time.
This is so trippy. Ooh, do you see that? So weird. It says to use the sponge, but honestly, this sponge is literally so hard. I hate this kind of a sponge. It's a little tricky to kind of like get it off the back of your hand and like get it under there while it's a powder. Do you guys see that though? It's not wanting to like blend in with my foundation. It's very difficult to blend. Wait, what does it say? Dab a small amount under the eyes using the contour blending sponge. Okay, I'm gonna kind of like take it off one eye and retry doing it exactly the way that they say to do it. Friendly reminder, just so we're all totally clear, I am not wearing any powder on my face whatsoever, just a creamy liquid foundation. Nothing that really should have a weird interaction, you know? All right, so I'm going to just put a little on the sponge, just a tiny little bit, and do as they say and just, yeah, that worked better actually. Okay, so they know what they're talking about, not me. Oh my God, just went in my nose. Oh my God, that's probably really unhealthy for me. That like burned my nostrils and my lungs. Whoa. All right, this is strange because it does turn into a cream, but it definitely has a powder finish. I'm gonna try getting it kind of in its cream form just to get like closer to my tear duct, right where I feel like I need more coverage. In theory, this is a really cool product. Anything that is powder to cream, it just feels like it's more fun to use. And the idea that it goes, you know, from a powder to a cream and that it has powder built into it and it's going to set and lock and be crease resistant is pretty cool. You know, it's on. I'm going to wear this all day. I'm going to see if it truly is super crease resistant. I'm not going to set underneath my eyes with powder today, but I am going to put on blush, bronzer, and a little highlight, and I will be right back. Now that I have other makeup on, I do have to say I don't hate this. I wish there was a little more coverage. This is a more natural finish, which is going to work for a lot of people. I just happen to be someone that likes a lot of full coverage underneath my eyes, so for me, I want more out of a concealer. But even still, with it being very natural, I do have to say I used a lot of the product, and it took a minute to really kind of like build it up, you know, blend it out, go back in with my finger and get it to look how I wanted it to look. I guess I'm just gonna have to kind of go through the day. I didn't powder underneath my eyes, which does feel really strange because I always powder underneath my eyes, but that was the step that you don't have to do with this product. So we're right here. We're on the fence with this shake and bake. All right, I will see you guys in a little bit. And I am feeling pretty defeated, you guys. I just looked in the mirror and I was just like, huh, like I had to do like a double take because I was like, what is happening right in this region? Like what? I mean, and look at the unevenness too of the concealer. I mean, my eyeshadow looks good. The sparkly bits, those are like nice. Side note, I'm wearing the NARS Longwear Foundation again for the third time. I don't like it. It does not work well on me. Like I'm noticing that like it's just not transfer proof at all, and I can't stand that because anytime you bump your skin, it kind of just like moves things around. Anyway, so that's fallen apart. So I feel like a greasy, uneven, blotchy mess, and then I look underneath my eyes and I'm like, what in the heck? I hate my makeup right now. I don't feel good, and concealer is supposed to make you feel less tired, and it's making me feel like I look more tired. I really just want to take it off. I want to take all my makeup off. I think it's really important that you do set your under eye with an actual powder, and that's probably why I never get these smudgies, and this actually really like illustrates it, why that's such an important step, because this is the Lash Paradise under here. That stuff never moves on me, period. So long as I powder underneath my eyes and don't let any of that oil get the product here to kind of like melt on your face, because I have not rubbed my eyes. I really have not. So long as you do that, it doesn't move, but this is just a joke. Deep breaths. It was a mistake. Well, you guys, my eyeshadow looks sparkly and fabulous, actually extra sparkly and fabulous now that it is nighttime and I'm sitting here in front of these big lights. I'm just like, oh, it's so pretty. But the rest of my face kind of looks like the makeup slid off everywhere, because it did. So the shake and bake failed me. It just, you know, I already talked about all the problems. Not enough coverage, really difficult to apply. You use a lot of the product and it is expensive, so I think you would go through it really fast. It is cool, it is interesting, it is fun, but will I be reaching for this? No. Would I recommend it? No. It's just not for me. And I do want to say, I do feel like any other concealer probably would smudge my under eye area. The difference is you need to powder your under eye area. So I do feel like if I did powder the under eye area, but it tells you not to, I want to make that clear. But if I broke the rules and I didn't listen to that and I powdered anyway, I probably wouldn't have a lot of this smearing going on through here, but it happened. So now we know that it just does not work. It's not worth it. James is sitting in here with me and I really want him to see this. Come here, James. Yep. Shake and bake. It's shake and bake.
And I helped.
I just want you to see this, how cool this is.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Will you put some on?
No.
But we need to see if it creases or not on you.
It's not going to happen.
Put your finger in it.
That's weird. Oh, wow.
Isn't that so strange?
That's so cool.
No, isn't that strange?
Yeah.
Isn't that so weird? You could
Don't-
use like a brightening.
No.
Can I just see if it goes in your creases?
Oh, God. It's the wrong color for me.
This is medium.
It's so dark. I'm
no,
not
it's
that
not
dark.
No, it's medium. It's fine. It's really okay. I'll wipe it right off.
Under protest.
This is it. This is how it ends. This is how shake and bake ends. Goodbye, buddy.
Yeah, this product is horrible. So we're gonna sign off. James is super happy right now. And oh my God, crazy man. All right, I love you guys so much. I hope that you found this interesting and satisfied your curiosity if you had seen this product. All right, it is fun to play with though, I'll give it that. I love you guys and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.